Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you demo and review of Garnier Naturals hair color. This is cream based hair color for all hair types and the pack claim that this color will last up to 10 weeks with proper care. So the MRP of the pack is 219 but from Amazon we get it for 188 rupees and it has 2 years of shelf life. The color is natural black. It is also available in 2 more shades, light and golden brown. In the kit, we have cream developer that is 60 ml, cream colorant 60 gram, conditioner 2 pack of 5 ml each and 1 pair of gloves. To use, take the cream developer in a mixing bowl and to this add cream colorant in equal quantity. So the cream developer and cream colorant should be in equal quantity. Now mix it all together well and for the very first time you need to take the skin test. Like just a little bit of this color, apply it on your elbow or behind your ear and wait for 48 hours. If you experience any allergic reaction, rinse the area with cool water and discontinue using this product. And if there is no problem, then you are good to use this product. So to begin with, first comb your hair to remove any tangles, ensuring that the hair color can be evenly spread. Now apply the mixture to your hair starting from the roots and gradually moving towards the tips. Cover all the grey hair and leave it on for about 25-30 minutes. And this hair color is ammonia free. It has olive, almond and avocado oil. Now rinse thoroughly until the water turns clear. We do not have to shampoo. After rinsing with water, just apply conditioner to your hair and wash it again. Do not shampoo until 48 hours of using this color. Next shampoo cycle, you can shampoo your hair. Shampooing it sooner may not give you the complete grey coverage. The color gives a vibrant natural black color to your hair, but the color will not last for 8 to 10 weeks. Hardly after every 10 days, you need to retouch roots grey coverage. So overall, grey coverage is good and it's very easy and convenient to use. Last for 10 days. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.